What's up guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm gonna show you my phone unboxing today. It's not gonna be unboxing because it's already unboxed because I put screen guard. So I'm gonna show you what comes with iPhone 12. I got blue color and I'm gonna show you how does it look. It's my today. I just got this today and I just wanna show you guys how does it look. So let's see. Okay, so basically this is all I got, and this is like secondary thing. This is my case, and this is I'd never had like iPhone before. That's why I didn't get any charger and I had to buy it since they are not giving any charger or adapter. So let's see what I have in here, and it is blue. Okay, here it is. How is it looking? You can see. And okay, hello iPhone, and a cable, and it is awesome. It feels great, and you can see the color. It is amazing, and this is all we have for iPhone 12 this year, or 12 Pro. This is iPhone 12, and which I got today. I'm excited. Let's see. I hope it's gonna be awesome. It feels like aesthetic. Its design, I loved it, and color, I loved it, and the thing we missed from iPhone 5s or 4, like box design. This thing also another amazing factor of for like iPhone 12 or Pro. So yeah, I hope you guys found it a little bit informative and interesting, and thank you for watching my channel again. I will see you in my next video.